Hey there, this is Jim's eBike World, and I've just completed an 1100 12-day journey around the Yucatan Peninsula. So get ready, here we go. Good morning everyone. Here I am on my e-bike, ready to start this great journey around the Yucatan Peninsula. Today is Monday, it's about 6 a.m. and I am really excited to get started, so let's get going. Well, I'm ready to say see you later, and I love you guys very much, okay? Yeah. Take care, bye-bye. Bye. And here I am making my way down Paseo de Montejo. It's beautiful. Wow, what a great day this is going to be. What a beautiful city, Merida. I am so happy to live in this beautiful city. Okay, on the road again. Yoo-hoo! Here we go. Well, here we go. There's the turnoff for Campeche. I guess it's do or die. I'm committed. Here we go. Oh, it'll be so nice to get away from some of those cars. Oh, wow. It's like an hour and 20 minutes to get out of Merida. Hi everyone. Well, I'm going to give you a little summary of my first day. I managed to go 127 kilometers in about 7 hours. A little slower than I had anticipated, but I did make it. The temperature got up to 37 degrees. Now that was a little bit warm. And I should have mentioned that, the 127 kilometers, the last time I did anything like that was 30 years ago. So I'm pretty happy with myself. The bike performed amazingly. Just two little things, and I can't blame the bike for that. We kind of lost the kickstand. It just broke right off. Truck went by and knocked my bike right over and broke that thing right off. And this is a little more serious. We've got a broken spoke. Tomorrow I'm gonna tie that around another spoke right now because it's impossible to get out here and now. But tomorrow I will take it to a bike shop in Campeche and we'll get going again. Guess what I pulled out of my bag this morning? Wow. Oh my goodness, love. Your words, everything. It was so beautiful. I've already read it, and it's truly beautiful. I was so surprised. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's Tuesday morning, just a little after 6 a.m. Getting a good start today, and I'm having breakfast here in the center of Yucatan. And guess what I'm having? Tortas de cochinita. Wow, it's like a pulled pork sandwich, and it's absolutely incredible. That ought to give me some good energy for today. Yes! Campeche! We're out of the state of Yucatan now. Well, this is what I've been waiting for, my first big stop. Campeche! Let's go! Wow, here we are. And a first look at the Gulf Coast. And just here at the entrance of Campeche, there is a ton of seafood. Many restaurants. And there's the beautiful boardwalk. And this boardwalk goes for about 5 kilometers. Right beside the ocean. It is absolutely lovely. You've got a nice breeze coming off the ocean. There's some shade trees. This is a favorite spot to come and ride your bike, or do a good run, or just hang out and look at the ocean. So beautiful here. We're so blessed to have this beautiful green earth the way it is. What we have to do is a better job of protecting it and saving it. This is just one electric bike, but I have taken my car off the road, so I'm not burning any gas anymore. And polluting the environment as little as possible.
Campeche is a beautiful city located on the Gulf Coast. It was founded in 1540 and became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999.
Isn't that just beautiful? Ah, it's so nice to hang out here and eat my huevos mortuleños. This is a dish that was created in Motul, close to Mérida, and it represents the Mexican flag because it has all 3 colors: green, red, and white.
And we're off again. That was a fantastic breakfast that I had. Huevos mortuleños with a cappuccino. Wow, what a beautiful park for kids here. Oh, there's a whole bunch of pelicans. And some other seabirds. Oh, that looks like it's coming to an end.
Well, we have to take the good with the bad, and this is the bad. Right beside the ocean, this beautiful, beautiful view, and people have decided that this is a good garbage dump. Disgusting, but that's what we're living with. This is the life. What a beautiful morning. Got the moon back there. The sun's gonna come up soon. It's gonna be a great, great day. Beautiful view to be looking out at as I enjoy the start of my day from Yucatan Playa, which is an amazing, beautiful hotel in between Campeche and Champoton. And this morning I'm going to have some eggs with toast and jam, and I've already eaten a bowl of fruit and coffee and juice. And it's included with the price, so it's a really, really, really good deal, and I'm going to enjoy this a lot. And we're ready to get started again on another great day. It looks absolutely amazing, and we're going to have a lot of fun today. I've got 3 broken spokes, and so I'm going to try to get help for those as soon as possible. Hopefully nothing happens. Stay tuned. It's not too hard to imagine why they call this the Emerald Coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. It's so beautiful. It's green. It is amazing. Now we're entering the beautiful city of Champoton, Campeche. It's a fishing village. Look at the color of that water. Beautiful.
Well, that's it for part 1. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next week as I continue my tour of the Yucatan Peninsula.